Later in 1990, Nancy Stram and Larry Simpson found that mini circles also encode gRNAs. But besides the coding potential, they found direct evidence for the existence of gRNA. The precise mechanism of editing, the cutting and pasting required to insert and delete UMPs remained unclear for several years, but the enzyme activities found in kinetoplasts provided some hints. For example, kinetoplasts have a terminal uridylyl transferase, yet TUTase, that could add extra UMPs, uridylates, to the mRNA during editing. So this enzyme can add UMPs to the mRNA. Because the mRNA has to be cut to accept these new UMPs, it must also be ligated together again, and kinetoplast must also contain an RNA ligase. तो अगर जो है वो mRNA को कट किया जा रहा है तो फिर इसको ज्वाइन करने के लिए RNA ligase भी होना चाहिए, और वो भी kinetoplast में प्रेजेंट है. Uridylates at the ends of gRNAs could be transferred to the pre-mRNA by transesterification reactions. That is, the uridylate could be plucked off the ends of gRNA and transferred directly to the pre-mRNA. So, gRNA के ends के ऊपर जो uridylates है इनको directly pluck off किया जा सकता है, तोड़ा जा सकता है, और फिर इनको तोड़ के जो है mRNA के अंदर ऐड किया जा सकता है. Then in 1994, Scott Seward and Stewart used a mitochondrial extract and a gRNA to edit a synthetic pre-mRNA. They found that deletion of UMPs required 3 enzymatic activities. They were actually working on the deletion of UMPs from the mRNA. So first is an endonuclease that follows directions from the gRNA and cuts the pre-mRNA at the site where a UMP needs to be removed. Secondly, a 3' exonuclease that is specific for terminal uridines, and third, an RNA ligase. So पहला एक एंडोन्यूक्लियस चाहिए जो कट लगाएगा, दूसरा जो है वो 3' एक्सोन्यूक्लियस चाहिए जो कि स्पेसिफिक है इसके लिए, और तीसरा जो है वो आरएनए लाइगेज चाहिए. In 1996, using a similar in vitro system, Stewart and colleagues demonstrated that UMP insertions follow a similar 3-way pathway. So the first they demonstrated how the UMP is deleted, and later on they demonstrated how the UMP is inserted into the mRNA. So they also showed that similar 3 steps are involved in this additions or insertions. One is a gRNA directed endonuclease cut at the site where UMP insertion is required. Second, an enzyme which is probably TUTase transfers UMP from UTP, uridine triphosphate, and this UMP, this uridine is not taken from gRNA as in case of deletions, as directed by gRNA. And the third is an RNA ligase puts the 2 pieces of RNA back together. Okay, so you can see in this illustration both the deletions and insertions of UMPs. So पहले हम देखते हैं deletion. So deletion के केस में ये जो ब्लू कलर है ये इंडिकेट कर रहा है जीआरएनए को, और ये जो पिंक कलर है ये एक्चुअली एमआरएनए है जिसमें के एडिशन और डिलीशन होगी. सो इन द फर्स्ट स्टेप दिस न्यूक्लियस विल कट this mRNA at a specific site, and then in the second step TUTase or 3' exonuclease will remove one U from the 3' end of this mRNA, and the third step is the ligation, and in the third step this is ligated. So in this way UMP is deleted, or U is deleted from the mRNA. So this is the case of insertion. So in case of insertion, similar 3 events take place for the insertion of one U base to the nucleotide to this. So in the first step, nucleases cut this mRNA, and in the second step, this TUTase or 3' exonuclease, this will cut one UMP from this UTP. This UMP will be added here. This will be through transesterification reaction. And in the third step, final step, this mRNA will be ligated. So in this way, this U is inserted in the mRNA. So इस तरह से RNA editing जो है वो की जा सकती है.